Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Jira to trigger workflows from deployments, complete guide step by step clearly. To authorize with Jira to trigger workflows from deployments, first, ensure you have Jira installed and that you have the necessary permissions. Next, log in to your Jira account. Navigate to the Jira dashboard. Locate the project that you want to link with your deployment tools. Now, go to the project settings. Select webhooks from the menu. Click on the Create Webhook button. In the webhook configuration, provide a name for your webhook. Specify the URL where your deployment tool will send requests. Next, choose the events that should trigger this webhook. Typically, you will select events related to issue updates. Save the webhook settings to create it. Now, head over to your deployment tool. Log in to your deployment tool account. Look for the section where integrations or API settings are located. Find the option for integrating with Jira. Input the URL of the webhook you just created. Authenticate your account with the necessary credentials like email and API token. Once connected, configure the deployment settings. Specify which deployment activities should trigger the Jira webhook. For advanced settings, you can customize the payload sent with the webhook to include relevant deployment data. Test the connection to confirm that everything is working correctly. If the test is successful, proceed to finalize your integration settings. Now, initiate a deployment within your deployment tool. Monitor the Jira project to see if it captures the trigger as expected. If everything is working smoothly, your integration is now complete. You can go back to Jira to check workflow updates triggered by deployment actions. Ensure to keep your webhook updated, especially when making changes to your project or deployment tool. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.